friends, welcome to Mithi's Kitchen. Today we are making Gathiya, and Gathiya is like a most likely we are always hearing about the Bhavnagari's Gathiya, but where I grew up in Goga's Gathiya was so popular too, and that is really is with my memories. And when I was child, my father was always buying that, and also any occasions, marriage or any parties or anything, we always have kali ladu and besanna gathia. So let's go, we start that today. I have 4 cup besan flour, and for other ingredients, cup of water, 1 tablespoon of ajwain, 1 is salt, and also 1 is baking soda, which is really good taste rather than or baking powder or anything. The soda is standing very good with any recipes. So let's go, we start that. And also I will use probably 5 to 6 spoons of oil in it. So what we need to do, first we need to add water, and with water we will add few tablespoon of oil, such as like, because when you add little bit oil it will be more soft, so I like to use it like that, almost like 4 to 5 tablespoons. So friends, you can see that I have added these all dry ingredients and I have mixed very well, and also I have with the strainer I have put this all flour and make sure there is no lump or anything, otherwise it don't turn good. So, and you can see that water and also oil, that is makes this mixture is really nice. So we will use it little bit of it, and we will make it our dough, because and we don't have to make it too hard. So slowly we will add water, and you can see that dough is really very fluffy. And like this is 4 cup flours, I have used 1 cup of water and few tablespoon of oil, probably 5, so you can see that we need little bit more water. And you can see that besan's flour is really sticky, so you have to be more careful. And end of that I will show you how I handle my besan flour. So I will show you back again when his flour is completely ready. So friends, now you can see that our dough is ready, and we have to make it like this consistency. That will be very easy to use with our machine. And this one I have very old time, this is my nice machine, and I always use that one for that. And what I did it, I have mixed very good, probably 5 minutes I have mixed continuous like this, so our Gathiya can turn really very good, like fluffy and soft, So, and also I have oil on the stove, so that is on medium high, and we don't have to keep it too high, otherwise that will change Gathiya's color. So we don't want to do that, right? So let's start with this. I have applied oil inside. can see that my butter is really very good. So friends, you can see that we do not want to do overcrowded, just like that. And just we have to fry couple of minutes. So we will just let it fry for each side minute or something. And it's really very soft Gathiya. Okay, so you can see that our one batch is ready, and it's really turned very nice color. I really like it, and I will put it in my dish. And so you can see that our Gathiya turned very well. Now I have whatever leftover besan here. We will do it until so friends, now you can see that our Gokhari Gathiya is ready, and it's really very tasty and soft. You can see that it's really nice, crispy, and please follow this recipe. You will enjoy too. I really like it. So if you like it, please share with your friends and family, and also leave the comments for somebody who can really see that and they like to encourage to make it like this. So please, and also if you have any question, comments, share in our comments box. We will definitely reply for that. Until then, I'll be back again with another simple recipes. Have a blessed day.